Hi everyone. So here is our quiz for the week. This week we were looking at adverbs, and so our quiz is going to cover just identifying adverbs. That's it. It's very simple. We're just identifying. We're not doing anything else with them. You don't have to tell me what it's describing, just which word in the sentence is an adverb. Because we don't want to forget stuff we learned in the past, we're also going to be identifying nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So the directions here say, below is a brief summary of William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Choose the part of speech that matches the all caps word. So you've seen practice and quizzes that look like this before. When I scroll down and show you the first question, if it doesn't already sound familiar, it should look familiar when you see it. All right, I also included this little reminder here for you. So remember that nouns are people, places, and things. With verbs, we have two kinds of verbs, right? We have action verbs that show action. What is someone or something doing? And we have state of being verbs. Those are those like helping verbs, linking verbs. Do you remember the helping verbs there? 23, am, is, are, was, and were, being, been, and be. And there's more, right? I won't sing it all right now, but we have watched that YouTube video. If you didn't watch it, you could go to YouTube and search it, just the helping verb song, you'll find it. Okay, also adjectives we've talked about in the past as well. Adjectives describe nouns, and they also describe pronouns, of course. And then our new one this week is adverbs. Adverbs can describe verbs, they can describe adjectives, they can even describe other adverbs. So I'm not going to get all into detail about this because it's quiz day. You already know all this. If not, if you're looking at this so far and you're like, whoa, wait, what are you talking about? Just stop here, go back and look at some of our old work, or Google Meet with me and talk to me, and then come back in and take the quiz. All right, if you're not feeling confident about nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, just stop here and Google Meet with me and talk to me. I'll get you ready for it. Okay, moving on. Assuming you're ready to do this, we move on. Romeo and Juliet begins as the chorus introduces two feuding families of Verona, the Capulets and the Montagues. All right, that's our sentence. The all caps word here is families. So introduces two feuding families of Verona. So is families here being used as a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb? Now remember, it is important to read the whole sentence because so many words could be more than one part of speech depending upon how they're used. So you want to make sure you read the whole sentence. Is this word in this sentence being used as a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb? And as you scroll down, you'll see there's just a few of those. So that's it. That's what the quiz is. It's just that same sort of question over and over and over again, just with different sentences and different words in all caps. All right, guys, have a great day and good luck.